me how do you pick out a good air shower that doesn't break the bank? An American customer was really tearing their hair out over dust particles in their workshop. Based on how the customer actually used things, we built this air shower especially for them. It's got a top frame made of full 304 stainless steel, 1.5mm thick. Knowing the customer would be using it a lot, we specially designed a sliding door operator for it. Compared to your standard door process, this one has sliding guide legs, so it was smoother and lasts way longer. Plus, the doors have super strong spring-load electromagnetic locks. This cuts down on mental fatigue, which also boosts its lifespan. It comes with the standard two-stage battery, G4 and H14. If you are still stressing about choosing an air shower, just give us a call. Thank you.